What's up, it's Nelly. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have this look for you guys. I wanted to do something that was very summery but still kind of sexy and sultry, so that's why I have like a super bold red lip. You can definitely skip the bold lips, do something more nude. You can not do the wing liner if you don't want to, but it's summer. Like, well, it's not summer yet, but it's going to be summer, and I don't know. During the summertime, this is a look that I would totally do if I'm going out to lunch with the girls or maybe on a date night with my boo. And also, I haven't done a red lip tutorial here on my channel in months. I have not done red lips in a long time. So when I sat down to film today, I'm like, yes, I'm gonna do a red lip and I'm gonna do a neutral eye because I think it complements it really well when you do like a neutral eye with like a red lip. I think it goes, it's not too much. It's perfect. So this is a look that I came up with, and I am so incredibly excited and honored, and I want to scream. This video is in collaboration with Il Makiage. Like, I can't believe they wanted to work with me. I'm so honored and so thrilled. They sent over some goodies that I have been trying for the past couple of weeks, and I have been playing with them, using them to, you know, get a feel for everything, make sure that I like everything before I share it with you guys, of course. And I don't know, I'm just really excited, and I'm so honored that they wanted to partner up with me and, you know, work together. I don't know. Let me go ahead and stop rambling. If you want to see how to get this look, then just go ahead and keep on watching. I am going to be starting off with the brows, and I am taking the Il Makiage. This is the brow pen in black, and I'm going to quickly do my brows. For eyeshadow, I am going to be working off the Il Makiage Workaholic palette. I am going to take the shade, this one, which is called Back Off, and I'm using the Il Makiage 202 Duo Fiber Blending Brush. Starting in the inner corner, and I'm moving back towards the outer corner in circular motion. Going in with the dark brown shade that's right next to it, which is called No BS. I'm going to begin to place that in the lash line, placing it in the outer corner and then in the lash line. It's okay if you get messy back here because we are going to blend that out and clean it up with a wipe. I just really want a really nice smoky kind of outer wing situation. So get messy, it's totally fine. We're gonna blend that out. I'm gonna go back in with the previous blending brush, and I am just going to begin to soften all of those edges and blend everything in. It's okay, you can get it everywhere. I'm going to go into this beautiful shade, and this one's called Lush Life, and I'm taking that using a MAC 242 brush, and I'm going to place that right here in the inner corner of the eye. I'm taking the dark brown once again, and I'm just going to re-intensify that lash line because we did lose the color a little bit when we went in with this shimmer shade, so you just want to go ahead and re-intensify. I am going to take the black gel liner, also from Il Makiage, and I am going to create kind of like a cat eye with the black liner. So I'm going to start, I'm not going to start in the very inner corner. I want to start more like here, like where my pupil kind of starts. And I'm going to bring it back. So once I kind of have the line already, I am going to begin to make it a little bit thicker. So I wanted to go from like super thin to like thick. So I'm going to gradually start adding some thickness. Boom! Okay, now we have to try to match the other side to this one. So I will be right back. We are going to move on to foundation. I am using the Wake Up. I am using the Woke Up Like This foundation. It is a little bit light for me, but when I go in with bronzer and all of that, it does balance out and it's not as white. I got a tan. Well, I'm not really too tan, but I went to the zoo with my niece this past weekend, and I got a little tan, so that's why it's a little bit too light for me. but that's okay because we're gonna make it work. And I am applying it with the 100 brush, also from Il Makiage. I'm gonna go in with concealer and I'm going to conceal my under eyes. I'm first going in with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm now taking a little bit of the Il Makiage BFF Concealer, and I'm just going to apply that under the eyes to further brighten things up a bit. By the way, in the foundation I am shade 060, and in the concealer I am shade 03. So now I'm going to go in with a sponge and blend this all in. I'm going to set everything into place using the translucent powder. This powder smells so good. It smells like a bakery. It smells really good. I did go in with a powder that's really similar to my skin tone for down here, just so that it can kind of start to carve things out a little bit. So now we are going to bronze. I am going to take the Mineral Baked Bronzer in the shade Paparazzi, and I am just going to bronze up my skin. Now this bronzer, it does have a little bit of a shimmer to it, but it's so beautiful that you can barely see it. It just gives your skin like a nice glowing from within glow. So we're just going to bronze up. Okay, I'm going in with blush, and I am using their blush in Poker Face. And I'm going to apply that to the apple of the cheek and back. And I'm going to blend out the powder and smooth everything over. So I am going to go ahead and apply falsies, and then I will be right back to finish off the rest of the look. Lashes are on. We are not going to be doing anything to our lower lashes. So the only thing that I did was I lined my waterline with a nude pencil, and I applied mascara to the lower lashes, and that is pretty much it. To finish off the rest of the skin, I am going to highlight, and I'm using the Pixi highlighter in Subtle Sunrise. Yeah, I'm not gonna show it too much because mine is actually completely shattered. So I'm going to apply a little bit right here on the tops of the cheekbones, and I'm also going to apply it to the tip of the nose and center of the nose, like down the bridge. I'm gonna apply a little bit right here on the tops of the brow, and a little bit on the chin. Okay, so I really want to do a red lip for this look. I haven't done a red lip in a while, and I'm kind of feeling it with the vibe that we have going on. So I am taking the MAC Cosmetics Trust in Red Lip Liner. Now I am going to fill in the lips using the Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Vermilion, which I love this shade. Love this shade. It's like a true red. I am going to finish everything off using the Il Makiage Hydrating Setting Mist, and I'm going to apply a ton because we did go in with a ton of powder. Smells so good. Okay, so this is the finished look. I struggled with my hair today because it's at a weird length. It's not short, but it's not long. So yeah, we're gonna do like a half top knot situation going on here, and we're gonna roll with it. So this is it. This is a completed look. I love the way that this look turned out. I think it turned out great. This is a look that I would totally wear for like a daytime activity during the summer because we have the fun, festive, like bold lips, but then we have the really nice neutral eye, but still with like a sass to it because we still do have that really intense cat eye look. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm going to have everything linked down in the description for you to go ahead and check it out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. I love you. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Mwah!